Let's talk about sorghum, a crop you might not think about, but one that's a true powerhouse in the world of grains. While it may not be as famous as wheat, rice, or corn, sorghum quietly plays a crucial role in feeding people and supporting economies across the globe. It's the world's fifth most important cereal crop, quietly feeding millions and fueling economies. From the plains of Africa to the heartland of America, sorghum is a staple that's woven into the fabric of daily life for countless communities. In the US, farmers harvest over 20 billion pounds of sorghum every year. That's a staggering amount, and it's the result of generations of hard work, innovation, and dedication from American growers. Most Americans don't realize it, but the US is the top exporter, shipping out nearly 70% of the global supply. These shipments travel thousands of miles, connecting American farms to dinner tables and industries around the world. Sorghum feeds livestock in China and Mexico, but it's also used for gluten-free foods and even ethanol fuel. Its versatility means it's found in everything from breakfast cereals to renewable energy, making it a vital part of modern life. It's a triple threat: food, feed, and fuel. Few crops can claim such a wide range of uses, and sorghum does it all with remarkable efficiency. What makes sorghum special? It's tough, thriving where other crops fail, needing less water and care. In regions hit by drought or extreme heat, sorghum stands tall when others wither. In a changing world, a resilient crop like this is essential. As climate change brings new challenges, sorghum's ability to adapt makes it a lifeline for farmers and communities facing uncertain futures. Sorghum is a testament to American farming ingenuity and grit. It's a symbol of resilience, resourcefulness, and the determination to make the most of every acre. We're pulling back the curtain on how billions of pounds of sorghum go from seed to finished product. From planting to harvest, every step is a story of innovation and teamwork. We'll see where it grows, how it's planted, and the machines that bring in the harvest. Modern technology and age-old know-how come together in the fields to make it all possible. Meet the people who make it happen. Farmers who work smart and hard. Their passion and commitment are the backbone of the sorghum story. This is a story about making the most of what you've got. It's about finding opportunity in every challenge and turning hard work into real results. Sorghum may not get the spotlight, but it's vital to feeding the world. Its impact stretches far beyond the farm, touching lives in ways most people never realize. Stick around. This is a story worth telling, and one that just might change the way you see your next bowl of cereal. Sorghum isn't just planted anywhere, it thrives in the sorghum belt. Kansas, Texas, Oklahoma, and Colorado. These states form a unique region where the climate is challenging, but sorghum finds its home. Here the land is shaped by relentless sun and unpredictable rainfall, creating an environment where only the hardiest crops can succeed. These are tough, sun-baked regions where other crops struggle to survive. The soil is often parched, and the heat can be unforgiving, making it a true test for any plant. Sorghum's secret: incredible drought tolerance. Its deep roots and unique physiology allow it to draw moisture from where others can't, giving it a remarkable edge. When water is scarce, sorghum simply waits out the dry spells, conserving energy and moisture until the rains return. This makes it a game-changer for farmers facing unpredictable weather. While corn withers and other crops falter, sorghum survives, offering a reliable harvest even in the harshest seasons. It's a lifeline for those who depend on their fields. It's efficient, hardy, and needs less water and fuss than other grains. Farmers can count on sorghum to deliver, even when resources are stretched thin. As we look for sustainable ways to feed a growing population, sorghum stands out as a smart, eco-friendly choice. Its resilience means less reliance on irrigation and chemicals. It grows in imperfect soil and doesn't demand much, thriving where others fail. Even rocky or depleted ground can support a healthy sorghum crop. Its adaptability means farmers can make use of land that might otherwise go unplanted, maximizing every acre. This isn't about a miracle crop, it's about practical, real-world resilience. Sorghum is a partner for farmers, not just a product. Picture vast, sun-drenched fields and resourceful farmers who know how to work with what nature gives them, season after season. Sorghum growers are as tough as their crop, stewarding a legacy of endurance and innovation in American agriculture. They respect the land, adapt to the weather, and make the most of every season, always learning and improving. Sorghum is more than a grain. It's a symbol of agricultural grit, a testament to what's possible with determination and smart choices. In the heartland, it's a crop for the future, rooted in tradition but ready to meet tomorrow's challenges. Planting billions of pounds of sorghum each year is a feat that begins with precision, patience, and perfect timing. It's a process that's as much about science as it is about tradition. Farmers carefully monitor the soil, waiting for it to reach about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, an ideal temperature for sorghum seeds to germinate and thrive. Planting too early risks seeds rotting in cold, wet ground. Wait too long, and the young plants could be damaged by a late frost. Timing is everything, and every decision can make or break the season. Today's farmers rely on high-tech tools, GPS-guided planters that sow each seed at the perfect depth and spacing, ensuring uniform growth across vast fields. Precision farming means every inch of land is used efficiently, maximizing yields while minimizing waste. Smart sprayers apply just the right amount of fertilizer and pesticide, targeting only where it's needed. This not only saves resources, but also protects the environment for future generations. With digital tablets and real-time data, farmers can monitor their crops and equipment, making adjustments on the fly. It's about working smarter, not just harder, and using technology to make informed choices. Even water is managed with care. Automated irrigation systems track soil moisture and weather, delivering water only when and where it's truly needed, conserving every drop. Sorghum is naturally drought-tolerant, but a strong, healthy start is crucial for a successful harvest down the line. Modern farming is a blend of deep-rooted land knowledge and the latest technology, where experience meets innovation in every pass across the field. Every single seed is given its best shot at success, carefully placed and nurtured from the very beginning. From the moment it's planted, sorghum's journey is a dance of science, sweat, and hope for the season ahead. Farmers combine generations of tradition with cutting-edge innovation, working together to ensure a strong, healthy crop for their families and communities. It's a dirty job, demanding both grit and intelligence, but it's one that's essential to feeding the world. This is how sorghum's journey begins, rooted in the earth, guided by innovation, and fueled by the dedication of those who plant the seeds. Once planted, sorghum's transformation begins. In about 90 to 120 days, it grows from seedling to towering stalk. Farmers monitor fields for pests, disease, and moisture, guiding the crop through each stage. Sorghum self-pollinates, no bees required, making it ideal for arid regions. Each stalk produces a panicle with hundreds or thousands of grains. As it matures, the grain changes color, signaling harvest time. Farmers are part scientist, part caretaker, ensuring the crop reaches its full potential. A mature sorghum field is a dense forest of grain, ready for harvest. The process is about patience, observation, and timely action. Farming sorghum is as much about watchfulness as hard labor. After months of work, the crucial decision arrives: when to harvest. It's not about a date, but about experience, observation, and science. Harvest too early, and the grain isn't ready. Too late, and you risk loss. Farmers check grain color and look for the black layer, a sign of maturity. Moisture content is key. The ideal is 18 to 20%. Too wet, and storage is risky. Too dry, and the grain can crack. Farmers use moisture meters and keep a close eye on the weather. Sometimes, they harvest early to beat bad weather. It's a delicate balance of data, instinct, and timing. This is where farming becomes both art and science. The right call means a successful harvest. When the time is right, the combines roll in. These massive machines combine reaping, threshing, and winnowing in one pass. A single combine can harvest hundreds of acres a day. Specialized headers cut the tall stalks and feed them into the machine. GPS guidance ensures every row is covered efficiently. Inside, the grain is separated from the plant, cleaned, and collected in a hopper. Chaff and stalks are blown out the back, while the grain is transferred to waiting trucks. The process is fast, efficient, and highly choreographed. Modern combines keep harvesting without stopping, maximizing every minute. It's a ballet of machinery, turning fields into truckloads of grain. The harvest is the payoff for months of hard work. This is where technology and tradition meet. Sorghum farming is all about zero waste. The grain is just one part of the story. In livestock operations, the whole plant is harvested as silage, chopped, fermented, and stored as nutritious feed. Silage keeps cattle fed year-round, bottling summer's energy for winter. Where only grain is harvested, the leftover stalks, called stover, are baled for feed or bedding. Nothing is wasted. Straw provides roughage for livestock and bedding for barns. Every part of the plant is put to use, maximizing value and efficiency. It's a model of agricultural resourcefulness. Farmers respect the crop by using every ounce of what it produces. Sorghum's zero-waste approach is a lesson in sustainability. It's smart, efficient, and good for the land. Harvest isn't the end. Now comes cleaning, drying, and storing the grain. Freshly harvested sorghum is full of debris and needs thorough cleaning. Air classifiers, vibrating screens, and optical sorters remove unwanted material and ensure quality. For food-grade sorghum, standards are even higher. Every grain is inspected. The grain is then dried to about 13% moisture for safe storage. Massive silos protect the crop until it's needed. If it's for livestock, the grain may be cracked or rolled. For food, it's milled into flour through a series of rollers and sieves. Every step is about preserving quality and value. The journey from field to finished product is long but essential. Each stage adds value and ensures nothing is wasted. Sorghum's versatility shines in every use. The post-harvest hustle is where the crop's true potential is unlocked. After all the work, sorghum stands as a symbol of resilience and smart farming. It thrives with less water, grows in tough conditions, and serves as food, feed, and fuel. Its versatility is driving a bright future: gluten-free foods, biofuel, and livestock feed. As demand grows, sorghum's role in global agriculture will only increase. The story of sorghum is the story of innovation and efficiency. Farmers blend technology with tradition, wasting nothing. Their hard work feeds and fuels the world. Next time you see those tall, reddish-brown stalks, remember, you're looking at a solution. Sorghum is quietly helping to feed and power the planet. It's the unsung hero of the cereal world. Tough, efficient, and essential. Sorghum's future is bright. The world needs crops like this more than ever, and American farmers are leading the way.